There we go, guys. The Traxxas Max. 110 scale, right?
That's the one. Yep. It's a basically what the selling point of this truck is that it's a 10 scale truck, but it's got the power system of a 6S truck that you can get with only a 4S lipo. So it's got, you know, the massive like X Max style shocks on it. You know, it's got the same type of body as like the X Max and the Revo.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
Young boy on the beat.
Yes, sir. We here. High fly hobbies, baby. Traxxas Max. Here we go, baby. Check that out. You got the 6x6. You got that Traxxas Max right there. Yes, sir. E-Revo 2.0. Get in here, guys. We might have to be quiet. You might be handling some business with the customers. Yes, sir. We here. High fly, baby. Look at the airplane. That's why it's high fly. Check that out. Get you right. Get your propellers.
The driver's different. He doesn't brake or something.
Look at that.
Like, I don't know. They changed some stuff on it.
Look at that.
Over there? No.
Yes, sir. Mike, what's up, brother? What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm already getting it in over here. What's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing? Doing all right? All right. Y'all got that Traxxas Max here in the day, huh?
Yes, sir. It's
Yeah.
there. It's there. Check it out.
We're finna go check it out. All right, guys. We got the 124 scale deadbolt. They're in stock. Make sure you get down here. High fly hobbies. That's what I need. I need that right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all don't have
One of
those?
them banners, huh?
Yeah, y'all don't have any?
No, they just give us like the one, you know.
Yeah, y'all need to see him in that one. My brother Mike here today. We're finna go check out the Traxxas Max,
yes,
right?
Sir.
Ooh, there you go.
Mm-hmm.
The 124 scale
Yep.
deadbolt. These are fun cars, guys. I'm telling you, if you don't have a bunch of money, come down. High Fly Hobbies. Get you a 124 scale deadbolt. Or a Traxxas Laytrax. There we go, guys. The Traxxas Max. 110 scale, right?
That's the one. Yep. It's a basically what the selling point of this truck is that it's a 10 scale truck, but it's got the power system of a 6S truck that you can get with only a 4S lipo. So it's got, you know, the massive like X Max style shocks on it. You know, it's got the same type of body as like the X Max and the Revo.
Easy, quick release.
And they got a whole new power system in this thing. It's a new motor, new ESC, new servo. The motor is basically the motor from the Spartan boat, but they redesigned it for a higher KV,
Right.
for more speed. So that's the selling point, is that you can get 6S power out of this thing on only a 4-cell if you want.
Right.
And you can also run it on a 3S if you have a 3S, and it'll still do 50 miles an hour. So
This is the light module.
this is the only one that comes with the lights, is this exact truck right here. This is the first delivery model,
Right.
which they send to dealers so people can look at them and get orders. The regular trucks for sale won't have these installed. You have to buy them separately.
Okay, so not even the first shipments.
Right. Yeah, you have to buy it separately, the lighting kit but the lighting kit is cool because it gives you LEDs in the front here, and then it gives you LEDs in the rear. But the rear ones actually, like when you hit the brakes, they have brake lights.
Right.
And when you put it in reverse, they have reverse lights on there too. So
Man, you should hook a battery up. Also, guys, we're down here to
it is, man.
put some money down on that Mojave, guys. You know we can't miss it on True Boys RC. Yes, sir. That's the front light there, you guys. Light bar. And that's your rear.
and then
That looks cool.
This is brake. When you're on brake, it's bright. When you go, it dims down.
Right.
And then when you go in reverse, the two middle ones light up white.
That
So
would be cool, bro.
yeah, pretty
Definitely.
cool.
Guys, so
That's
you'll be
the
seeing
one.
that also coming to the channel soon. So we're gonna go get the Traxxas X Max out of the car and get your size comparison.
Steering.
This thing is awesome.
Relax the steering. This thing will do standing backflips.
Oh yeah. You see how I put in there, Mike?
What's that?
You see what I put in there?
Oh, that's the new system. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the 850
Yep.
or 800.
800. I'm gonna say
Yeah,
that.
yeah, that's a big boy there, huh?
Yes, sir. We do
What's
crazy.
what's the gearing on there?
The 3035 mod 1.5.
Who makes the gears?
B&M Racing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You have to order them, so.
So that's the 800.
Yep.
And then Max 5, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Max 5 ESC.
How's, I mean, is it?
Oh my God.
It's power.
looks
Had
good.
them painted. Yeah, because they come
You
gray.
painted this. I thought it
Yeah,
came
they
out
come
like
gray.
this. Wow, that looks really good.
Put my brother on. What's your name, man? What's your name?
Andrew?
Andrew Dante.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Dante.
meet you. John, nice to meet you, man. Yeah, that's cool, man. Definitely.
I told him he had to come here and check this out.
Yes, man. It's all
an
love,
awesome
man.
hardwood
Yes,
compliment.
yes. So they're gonna be checking out the channel, man. And y'all gonna
Absolutely.
see yourselves on there. Nah.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
You know, it's crazy. And you can run
Get
on
over
3
here so I
cylinders
can
like
get it this
this
way.
so.
That's the comparison, guys.
It really is.
The X Max to the Traxxas Max, the baby brother.
Same color scheme.
Same color scheme. That's what I went for. I was telling him I wanted that color.
Standing backflips. It's
Yeah.
like controlling a bulldog.
Yes, sir. And this thing sounds like a chainsaw now with them big gears
I'm
on
sure
it.
it does with those
Yeah,
gears,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
But guys, make sure y'all come down and pre-order this thing. This 4S beast. Y'all know how the Traxxas X Max ran? Imagine how this 1/10 scale gonna run. Oh my gosh. Beast. I seen it on videos, bro. This
Yeah,
is an
yeah, people have
animal.
been running them already, yeah.
It's an animal.
At the shops. I know, it's
Yeah.
got a lot of power, man.
Yeah.
It's pretty impressive.
That thing is a beast. We can't take it out, but we will end up getting one for the channel, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, baby. True Boys RC, baby brother, X Max. Yes, sir.
There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, I know. Saturdays are usually always pretty busy, yeah.
I did get a.
Yeah, RC family in here today. Yes, sir. All right, brother. Nice to meet you, man. Make sure you subscribe. Yes, make sure you subscribe. You going on that too? Yes, sir. True Boys RC. There you go. True Boys RC on YouTube. Y'all definitely be on there, man. Make sure you check it out.
Hey,
There you go.
make sure you subscribe to this guy right here.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you. That's a blessing. There we go, guys. 10th anniversary Armor Outcast. Yes, yes, and yes. Fox. We got the Fox. Traxxas Slash. Armor Outcast. Traxxas Stampede, baby. Yes. Make sure y'all stay tuned. True Boys RC. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.